Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. If you're still waiting for the Galaxy S25 FE, here's the good news. We've finally got the first look at what might just be the best budget flagship of the year. Now look, we all want Samsung to bring fresh new designs to their Galaxy S and Z lineups. But truth be told, reinventing the smartphone shape every year is no small task. Thanks to trusted leaker on leaks, we now have high-quality renders and a 360-degree look at the upcoming Galaxy S25 FE. And here's what we're seeing. It'll keep the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Rumors suggest brightness could go as high as 2600 nits, though that's still unconfirmed. Physically, it'll be slightly thicker than the regular S25, which is 7.2mm, but thinner than last year's S24 FE, which was 8mm. And yes, the bezels are visibly slimmer. Sleek and modern. It's like Samsung gave this phone a gym membership, it's leaner and sharper. Now, things get interesting inside. The Galaxy S25 FE might come with either Samsung's Exynos 2400 chip or a MediaTek Dimensity 9400, depending on the region. If Samsung chooses MediaTek, that could seriously shake up the Android market. It's fast, efficient, and might offer a real boost in performance. Up front, we're finally seeing an upgrade. A 12-megapixel selfie camera, up from the older 10-megapixel sensor. On the back, the triple camera setup will likely remain similar to last year. Sharper selfies are coming, no filters needed. The S25 FE will launch with One UI 8 out of the box, and Samsung has already started regional testing. And here's the kicker. Samsung is promising a whopping 7 years of software updates. That's right, this phone is designed to last well into the 2030s. Some insiders say it might come with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, even in the base model. If true, and if it's priced around $700 in the US, compared to $650 for last year's version, this could be an incredible value proposition. So overall, the Galaxy S25 FE looks like a meaningful upgrade: thinner bezels, better selfie cam, flagship tier RAM, powerful performance, and longer software life. If Samsung nails the pricing, this might just be the best budget flagship of the year. So what do you think of the Galaxy S25 FE? Could this be your next daily driver? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe for more rare and real tech drops, and I'll catch you in the next one.